Hey, this is Dave. We're doing an unboxing of the Osmo Action 3 standard combo today, and this is the first action cam I've ever had or I've ever owned, so let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like we have the camera, and it's going to come with a few things. So on the back, it says it comes with the action camera, the extreme battery, a flat adhesive base, locking screw, horizontal and vertical protective frame, a quick release adapter mount, Type-C cable, and a couple rubber lens protectors. Maybe just one if it's the standard combo, I don't know. The lithium polymer battery, this is going to allow us to charge relatively quickly from 0 to 80% in 18 minutes, so they say. We have some DJI stickers, love that. We have the USB to USB cable. We have a start guide. We have the adhesive base and the quick release. I wonder how useful the quick release is when you only have one. Because wouldn't you quick release it and then clip it on something else? Seems like you need at least two to make it useful. Am I wrong? Then we have, that's the protective cover. So there's this little rubber piece. That must be the protective rubber lens protector. It's a rubber lens protector, and there's no, I thought there would be like a literal lens protector, but it's just a rubber thing that you put around this. Interesting. Okay. Be interesting if there was a actual lens protector there. And that's it. That's what you get in the standard combo. Pretty small, pretty tiny. I am going to be actually recording with this eventually, and it's going to be pretty sweet. So I could have gone with the other adventure combo or whatnot. It was $100 more, and I didn't feel like the stuff that I got from it was I was going to be using. The extra batteries definitely would be nice, but I'm really not going to be recording in a very, very, very long stint, so maybe an hour and a half and hopefully this battery will be able to last that long. It's up to like 160 minutes, so we'll see. We'll see if it was a good thing or not. I also did get a gripper mount so I can mount it on the front of my helmet. So that was the unboxing of the Osmo Action 3, and that's just what's inside a standard combo. And yeah, we'll take a look at this a little bit more depth later. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.